Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make steamed tofu with shrimp, then so can you. Here's another dish that looks beautiful and seems more complicated to prepare than it actually is. It's quick, and with a little bit of prep work, this dish takes less than 10 minutes of cooking time. It's perfect for both weeknight meals with your family, as well as fancy dinners with guests. So with no further ado, let's jump right into it and start with the tofu. Using either traditional or firm tofu, start by cutting the block in half, and then cut both of those halves into quarters. What you'll get is 8 smaller squares of tofu. Next, you'll need 8 prepared shrimp from the grocery store. Here, Uncle Fred is cutting them just a little bit deeper and a little bit closer to the end of the shrimp opposite of the tail. Next, on a plate with high edges, you're going to place all 8 pieces of tofu. Then take a shrimp and curl them into a little circle on top of each piece of tofu. They'll be more inclined to stay in a nice circle if you tuck their tails into the cut you made at the opposite end of the shrimp. Next, we're going to put 3 eggs in a bowl. To the eggs, we're going to be adding hot water, and we're going to need 1.5 times the volume of the eggs. That means if you use half an eggshell for a scoop, you'll be adding 9 scoops of hot water. Then scramble the eggs in water with a fork. When done, pour the mixture through a sieve into another bowl. This is to remove the bubbles so that when you cook it, it doesn't leave an odd texture on the egg. Then carefully pour the egg and water around your tofu squares. Then cover the dish with plastic wrap, but be sure to stab a couple holes through the plastic so that steam can escape. Over at the stove, bring the water in your steamer up to a boil. Carefully place your dish inside, cover it with a lid and steam it for 5 to 8 minutes. Be sure to check it at 5 minutes before cooking it longer, because the shrimp can be easily overcooked. When your shrimp and tofu are done cooking, we're going to heat some oil in a small pan. In our case, we use grapeseed oil, but you can use whatever oil you prefer. To the oil, you'll add a diced green onion, as well as about half a chili pepper. If you want it spicier, you can add as many red chili peppers as you prefer. You only need to cook the pepper and onions in the oil for about 30 seconds, just to get the flavor into the oil. Then carefully pour the hot oil, peppers, and onions over your tofu and shrimp. The last thing we're going to add is some of this seasoned soy sauce for seafood. You could probably find this in your local Asian markets. We're going to be pouring about 1/4 cup of this seasoned soy sauce over the squares. And there you have it, steamed tofu with shrimp. If you want to, you can garnish it with a few more chopped green onions. These are excellent little appetizers to serve before your main meal, or just as a really interesting side dish. It's ready in about 10 minutes, just with a little bit of prep, and then 5 minutes of cooking time. If you enjoyed this quick little video, please let us know by giving the like button a click. And if you tried this recipe out for yourselves, please let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And we release a new video every week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching.